besides building a culture, because I think the same culture that we build in a mortgage shop or insurance shop or a car dealership shop, we could build in a restaurant too. All about the experience that brings people in. I mean, showcase it the way Fatima's Grill is showcasing it. Aces Academy, if you own a business and you want to increase your sales, I always say you got to focus on the experience of your customer or the experience of your team. People love to see the experience. They love to see what's going on behind the scenes. And one great example specifically for a restaurant, because I always say, like, I consulted a few restaurants, not like professionally where I went in there and charged them and did 10 sessions, but just like a phone call, giving them ideas and suggestions and things they could do. And one of the things I always say, besides building a culture, because I think the same culture that we build in a mortgage shop or insurance shop or a car dealership shop, we could build in a restaurant too. You could have the top chef of the week. You could have the top waitress or waiter with their reviews. You could have a wall of fame with your top person every month. You could make it exciting. You could time them. You could rate them on surveys. They could get extra bonuses. There's so much you could do with the staff of a restaurant. So if you own one and you want help with that, give me a call. But specifically on the food, I've been following this Fatima's Grill, it's called. I've been following them for about 6 months. This is the only restaurant I follow, by the way. I mean, think about when you think about experiences, you have Salt Bay, right? The experiences, they throw salt down on your steak. I went to a restaurant in Florida that had really big utensils, this big, and it was so packed because everybody went there. When they bring you out bottles at different places, there's, candles on the bottles, and bottle girls bringing them out typically. There's a new thing now for guys where it's like you get a piece of steak inside of a treasure box, and a bunch of captains in suits come out and give it to you, and it's a very expensive steak. Anyways, that's all about the experience that brings people in. This place, Fatima's Grill, is not really documenting the experience of people coming in or the chef, but one thing they're documenting very well is their food. Okay, I mean, 266,000 followers. They're growing. I've actually just sent them a message. I think I want to open one of these in Michigan. If it's available, Fatima's Grill, let me know. They're consistent on social media. And then look at these videos. I mean, I don't know if it's because I'm fasting right now. I'm on like a 2.5 day fast so far. So I'm starved. But even when I'm not fasting, I mean, whatever the hell they post looks amazing. So if I ever see a Fatima's Grill, I'm going in there, I'm pulling up the Instagram, and I'm gonna tell them, give me one of these. And I say that because do you have this kind of visibility on your food process making? Are you using trending audios like this? I mean, simple stuff, right? But they're so consistent. That's the experience of how they make it, right? And like consistency, just look at their page over and over again, 2-3 times a day they're posting, and the food just looks absolutely amazing. So my tip for you, if you have a business, specifically a restaurant, is to post the experience. Number one, try to make a fun experience when people come. How could you make your business interactive and make it a fun experience for your clients or customers? Number two, how could you document the experience for social media, either with your team and them coming in, or with the customers and their experience? There's another guy on TikTok that gives you ice cream and he shakes it around and throws it in the air. Everybody comes to his ice cream, not because his ice cream is the best ice cream in the world, because they want him to dance and shake the ice cream and play around and take a video of it, right? That's the experience. And number three, if you have amazing food that you could showcase like this, like I'm showing you on the screen, I mean, showcase it the way Fatima's Grill is showcasing it. With trending audios, very quick to the point, good videos. They show you exactly how it's done. Looks amazing. Makes you hungry, makes you want to go to Fatima's Grill. So shout out to you. Hopefully this video helps you. And I think the main takeaway here is experience, right? Either experience of making the food, experience of how the food looks when it's done, experience of your customers coming in. Is it a fun experience for them? Experience for your workers or your team? Highlight that, advertise it, be consistent. And maybe as a restaurant, you could have 300,000 followers just like Fatima's Grill. It's Aces Academy bringing you fire all year long. I did reach out to Fatima's Grill. I said, love to get you on the podcast. I'm going to drop a video about your skills and consistency. It would be my pleasure. Fatima's Grill, that video is now dropped. Let me know your availability tomorrow, Friday, 5 to 8. Also, if I can franchise in Michigan. Keep me updated. I am live posting your video right now as I am typing to you on camera. All right, hopefully we'll see him soon. Catch you guys.